Creating animated videos usually takes weeks of work, expensive software, and professional skills. But what if I told you that you can create talking animated characters for YouTube using AI in just a few minutes? So, in this video, I'll reveal the Grok Extend Method, a simple technique to create consistent AI characters, generate dialogues, and turn them into animated videos. You'll learn how to create multiple talking characters, control their scenes, and produce professional AI animations. If you want to start an AI animation channel or automate your content creation, this method will save you hours of work. And make sure you watch until the end, because I'll also show you the trick that keeps the characters consistent in every single scene. Alright, let me show you my WhatsApp channel first. I will give you the link in the description. You can join my channel. Here I provide prompts for every video. And this is my community. If you want any paid tool at the lowest rate, you can simply ask me there. My support is available 24/7. Let's get started. First, I have the story prompt. This prompt is specially designed to create any kind of story, as long or as short as you want. It will only generate the story, not any prompts. Here, we just have to put our story title or script, and the rest of the work will be done by this prompt. Now, we will copy this prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. In the story idea section, we will cut it and paste any story we want to generate. I have already written the idea using ChatGPT, so I will copy the story topic and paste it into the story idea line, then hit generate. Within a few seconds, you will get the whole story without any prompts. Here is scene 1 with a dialogue line in it, then scene 2, scene 3, and so on. Now, I want image and video prompts for this whole story. For that, I have this master prompt. With the help of this prompt, first we will get our image character prompts. Then, step 2, scene breakdown and scene prompts. This is the scene prompt format. Scene number, description, dialogue, characters in the scene, and at the end we will get the scene prompt. Step 3, AI video or animation prompt. In this step, we will get image to video prompts. And this is the input where we will paste our story, which we generated earlier. Copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. In the input section, paste the story that we want to create. Then hit Enter. This is our step 1, character creation. For character creation, we will use Google Flow, and I will also tell you how you can keep your character consistent. Open a new tab and type Google Flow, then click on the first link. After getting on the website, log in with your personal Gmail ID. I have already logged in, and you can see my previous work as well. Click on New Project. If you want to create an image, select Image, choose Landscape for long videos and Portrait for YouTube Shorts or Reels. Set it as Default and change the image setting to 2. Here we will select Nano Banana 2. Here you can see that it charges 0 credits for image generation. So in this tool you can generate unlimited images, just like Google Whisk. Now we will copy the style for characters and paste it into the prompt box. Below that, we will paste the prompt for our main character, Zayden. Click on Generate. It will take roughly 15 to 20 seconds, and then your first main character image will be ready. Here is the perfect result. If you want to make any changes, simply click on the image and type something like wearing a red jacket and black shoes. Leave it for generation and see the results. Only the shoes and jacket are changed. Download the character or make changes if you don't like it. Here is the option to download the image in 2K resolution. Click on Done. Again, go to ChatGPT, copy the second character prompt, paste it into the prompt box of Google Flow, and also paste the character style. Hit Enter. This is our second character, Maya. If you want to make any changes, you can do so, but I am downloading it as it is. Our step 1 is complete. Now let's move to the next step, which is image generation. In ChatGPT, type step 2 and hit enter. It will give you every scene prompt individually, scene number, dialogue, characters in the scene, and then the image prompt. This is repeated for every scene, scene 2, scene 3, and so on until scene 21. Now let's move to scene creation. Copy the first scene prompt and paste it into the Flow prompt box and leave it for processing. This is our scene 1 image. Now copy the scene 2 image prompt and paste it into the prompt box. Change the jacket color to red, which we want our character to wear. Then you can see there is a slight change in our character. If you create images like this, there is a high chance that your character will not remain consistent. For character consistency, upload the character image, then paste the prompt, change the color from olive green to red, and hit enter. Now you can see our main character is the same as we wanted. Now copy the prompt for scene 3, paste it into the prompt box, and notice that 2 characters are being discussed. So we will add both character images and then hit generate. Perfect result with character consistency. This is the method we will use to keep our characters consistent. Now I will show you what happens if you don't add a reference image. Copy the image prompt and paste it into the prompt box. This time I am not adding any reference image, and then hit enter. These are the random images that we get. That's why every time you want to keep your character consistent, add the reference image of your character, like I am doing right now, adding reference images, pasting the prompt, and hitting enter. If you have more than 2 characters, always remember to add only those reference images that you want to appear in the scene, otherwise it will mess things up again. See the results. Now, both characters are the same. Repeat this process every time. Have a look at the images I created. I created them using the same method, and everything is perfect. Our step 2 is completed. Now it's time to bring them to life. Let's begin. Step 3. Go to ChatGPT, type step 3 and hit enter. This is the prompt for scene 1 with description, camera movement, environment motion, and then transition. This is repeated with every image to video prompt. In scene 4, there is a scene description, camera movement, character movement, environment motion, and then dialogues. Now we have all our image to video prompts. For video generation, I will use Grok, which is fast and easy to use. Open a new tab and type Grok. This type of interface will appear. Click on Imagine. If you want to generate videos, click on it. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9, landscape. Now upload the scene 1 image. Copy and paste the scene 1 prompt and hit enter. It will start generating the video. Upscale the video. After upscaling, an HD icon will pop up here. Now download the video. Repeat the process with scene 2. Now copy scene 3, upload the scene 3 image and hit enter. If you want to extend the video without breaking scene consistency, click on the 3 dots, then click Extend Video. Copy the scene prompt, paste it into the prompt box and hit enter. Within a short time, it will generate the video without breaking the scene transition. If you don't like the video, just click Redo and it will start generating again. I think this one is much better, so download the video. Now repeat the process, upload the scene image, copy the scene prompt and paste it into the Grok prompt box. Everything is perfect. Then move to the next scene, copy its prompt, upload the image, paste the prompt into Grok and generate the next video. If you want to extend the video, simply click on the three dots, then click Extend Video. Move the slider bar from wherever you want to start the second scene video. Wherever you move the bar, Grok will automatically pick the last frame and start the video from there. Now copy the video generation prompt, paste it into the prompt box and hit Enter. You can see that the next scene starts exactly where the previous one ended without breaking continuity. Again, click Extend Video, copy the prompt, paste it into the prompt box and hit Enter. This is how you can extend your video every time. In this scenario, you don't need to upload the image again and again. Just click Extend Video and you are done. Now that all the scene clips are ready, the final step is simply organizing everything into one complete video. For that, you can use any video editor like CapCut, Premiere Pro, or even free mobile editing apps. Import all the scene videos. Place all the generated clips on the timeline in the correct story order, so the narrative flows naturally from the first scene to the last. Since the characters already have their dialogue and lip sync inside each clip, the main focus during editing is just making sure the transitions between scenes feel smooth and the pacing of the story looks natural. While reviewing the timeline, you can trim the beginning or ending of certain clips slightly, so each scene connects cleanly with the next one. Small adjustments like this help the story move forward without awkward pauses or sudden cuts. You can also add very simple scene transitions, so the change from one moment to another feels more polished and cinematic. Once everything is arranged and the full story plays smoothly from start to finish, review the entire video one more time to make sure all scenes connect properly and the dialogue flows naturally across the animation.
At your opening line?
No, that was me being on editing line was way cooler, but I forgot it when you walked in.
Here are your coffees.
Thanks, they look great.
I can smell it already. You seemed very confident when we were texting.
Yes, texting Zayden. That guy's smooth, calm, mysterious. That's because I'm distracting you.
With what?
My charm.
When you saw me walk in, what was your first thought?
Please let this girl like me.
After that, export the final video in high quality so all the visual details remain sharp. And just like that, your complete AI animated story is ready with multiple characters, natural dialogue, and cinematic scenes created entirely using AI tools. As you can see, this method makes it much easier to create engaging animated stories without needing advanced animation skills. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI video creation tutorials like this. And if you have any questions or want to see more tutorials on AI animation, feel free to let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.